na sinasabi ko. Oh damn.
What the?
Damn, man. That's my good friend right here, y'all. This Elmer right here, man, with some bad boy bike. Whoo! We're gonna be riding. Yes. The fam is there. Took a bench, you know. Gonna be chilling like a today. So I finally got the mount for my bike. This little thing right here. That way we can show you guys where we ride and have fun, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Right there. Good investment. Man, I miss my Transex. This got seat post, elevation. You can control this by releasing this son of a gun right here. It goes up. You can see it goes up. Fox, full suspension. It's float CTD. This bad boy is the one. Yo, it rides smooth. Yo, it's so smooth right now, bro. Fazari.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
It's funny. That's going to be my first time riding the bicycle and talking at the same time. FYI, we're in the park. It's not a public place. It's not an excuse, but I forgot my helmet. But you can see we are on the bike lane. Huh? Couple of things here, man. We were watching this new telenovela. It's called King, the Eternal Monarch. It's Korean telenovela, and Lee Min-ho, that's my half brother. He does not know yet, but just in case you see this, Min-ho, what's up, bro? What's good? So I see this review for other people, and specifically, you know, the Philippines, like celebrities. They don't like it and all that crap. I don't know, bro. There's a reason why KTV or Korean telenovelas are very popular these days. First, they're awesome. Second, they're not corny. Third, their budgets are really good. You can see the image quality, which is really top of the line Hollywood quality, or far more superior than any other, you know, no disrespect, Philippine telenovela. There's no comparison there, for real. But we are down to, I think, episode 12 in Eternal Monarch, King the Eternal Monarch. So far, it is very interesting and very, you're not gonna catch who's who. It's very interesting play that they got. Basically, this is like a paradimensional, it's like two-dimensional world within. For example, we're present here, there's another world behind it, and same characters but different lifestyle, different types of roles in their life, but that's how it goes. So far, man, this is one of the best that I've seen in KTV for the past 10 years. And I think it's only 16 episodes in it, so we're down 12. We're watching it through Netflix. It's there. Title is King, Eternal Monarch. You should check it out.